This quick video explains how to request Bolt WX forecasts using your iPhone 14 or newer. To get started, sign up at boltwx.com. You'll receive an access code and a phone number to send messages to. Simply send a message to that phone number from the standard iPhone Messages app and include your access code and GPS coordinates. Don't forget to include the hash symbols at each end of your access code. In moments, you'll receive a weather forecast, which has been abbreviated to fit as much information as possible in a single message. Check out the frequently asked questions section for an explanation of the abbreviations. When you get out into the backcountry and there's no cell service, follow Apple's instructions for two-way satellite communication and send the same message with updated GPS coordinates. If you have any problems, log in to your account on boltwx.com, where you can see your most recent inbound and outbound messages, along with troubleshooting tips.